Hello and good day to you. It is me, Andy, and this is Training the Right Way. I've got a little video regarding Rumble, in particular Rumble Studio. I was using it to multi-stream. As you know, it's very good. You can bring on up to 9 guests live. You can do various other things. You can stream out to various platforms. It's all integrated, and the best thing, obviously, is it's free to use. Unfortunately, the last time I used it was March. I've been away and various other things. So I went on there to do a live stream on Sunday. It wouldn't load. Then I had to muck around with it with OBS and live stream from there using multi-stream. I found it very, very annoying. It would not load. I did various things, tried to log in again, changed browsers. So I've used Brave, I've used Chrome. Neither one, they all do the same thing. They don't work. And I'm going to show you because I've been contacting the help line, and pretty much they're not very helpful. So I don't know what is going on. Anyway, let's have a look. Right, here is the Rumble Studio screen. You can see, and what you're supposed to do is obviously sign in with your Rumble account, which I have done on Rumble itself. But you can also log in. If you're not logged in anywhere else, you can log in here, and it will give you a login box to put in your details. But having done that, then it will just go through to the main screen. It doesn't do that. Now, you have to look very quickly. You have to look up the top here. You may see it or you may not. I'm going to try it. You have to click it several times. And might eventually it takes a little while. Knowing my luck, it's not going to appear. Just because I'm making a video of here. Right, what I'm going to do is make it normal size screen, see if it's does anything different. If I refresh, let's see if that does it. In any case, as you can see, it doesn't do anything. Now, what the message that I saw, it has obviously, it's not going to show the message. The message that I came up on in a box for about half a second and then it just disappears is room not found. Room not found. And clearly it's not going to do it. If I show you, I can show you my Rumble account. See, I'm already logged in. I can sign out. If I sign out there. And then we'll go to the studio. See if it's sign in. It gives you the sign in that you can do. So this is the sign in box. I can put that in there. Get to this screen, which is where we were before, and then if we want to sign in to Rumble Studio, we're back where we were before. And of course the help desk are not very helpful. They suggested that it could be somebody send me a link to join a room or whatever. Well, you know, as you do, you get the link sent out. But I can tell you now, the last time I used it was March for a live stream. I didn't send out anybody any links, and nobody sent me any links. And certainly since then, I've not received any links from anybody. I don't know why I would. But there you go. So if anybody's got any answer to that, then please do let me know. And if Rumble are watching this, then please do tell me how to fix it. Otherwise, I'm going to have to go to some other provider like Restream or StreamYard or something like that, because I need to multi-stream every week. And this is very, very inconvenient when it stops working like this and there is no resolution. So that's it. And if you have the same problem, comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you again.